everyone! For a function y equals 2 times sine of x plus 30 degrees minus 2 cosine of x, we're going to sketch the graph of the function and find the maximum and minimum values and the period. Alright, so basically, before we can graph this, we need to rewrite this. So I'm going to take this first piece here, this 2 sine of x plus 30 degrees, and use my sum formula for sine and expand that. So that would be equal to, I'll squeeze this over here, 2 times sine of x cosine of 30 degrees plus cosine of x times sine of 30 degrees. And then we're going to have this minus 2 cosine of x. Alright, now simplifying this piece, this is going to give me, this is square root of 3 divided by 2, so that's just going to be square root of 3 sine of x. Square root of 3 divided by 2, and the 2's would cancel out. And then plus sine of 30 degrees is 1/2. So that's just going to equal cosine of x. And basically what's happening is these 2's are canceling out. Then we have minus 2 cosine of x. This is going to end up giving us square root of 3 sine of x minus cosine of x. Now, let's divide each term by 2. So if you do that, you're going to get 2 and 2, but then we have to multiply this by 2. So this is going to end up equaling 2 times sine of x minus 30 degrees. And it's based off our formula given here. So basically it means there exists an angle such that cosine of your angle equals, and you do the opposite here, square root of 3 divided by 2, and also sine of alpha equals 1/2. You flip these around based off our formula here. So that means our alpha would equal 30 degrees. And also we have a minus here, so we're putting a minus here. Alright, and that's when you were solving linear equations, or trig equations that are linear in form. So basically now we have that. It's a translation. We have y equals 2 sine of x minus 30 degrees. You could also take this and use this formula, and you'll get back to this, what we have here. Alright, so basically it's a translation of the graph along the x-axis. I'm going to write this here, y equals 2 sine of x minus 30 degrees. Alright, so our amplitude is 2 sine, and then we're shifting it. You set this phase shift equal to 0. So the phase shift, or it's a horizontal shift to the right by 30 degrees. So we're starting here. We're ending at 390. Amplitude is 2. So basically when you graph sine, this is going to go through 210. 300 is going to go to 2. And 120 is going to go to 2. So this is this one here. Little sketch right here. Do the best I can. Alright. And then it would just keep going on and on like that. Alright. And then also we could say negative 60 degrees is down here. So it would go something like that. And on up. Alright. And the maximum and the minimum. Your maximum value is 2. So you just put max is 2, and your minimum is here, at -2. That's it. Oh, the period is 2 pi. You do the 2 pi divided by b, but our b is 1. So the period equals 2 pi. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.